This program has been incredibly hands-on and practical. Working directly with vehicles has given me valuable experience in diagnosing and repairing various issues. The hands-on training has built my confidence, and the advanced equipment we use has been a great asset. The knowledge and skills I've gained here are directly applicable to my future career in automotive mechanics.
Balance between classroom instruction and practical experience is excellent. We learn the theory behind mechanical system and immediately apply it in the workshop. These facilities are top-notch, and working with real vehicles has been essential for developing my skills. The support from experienced instructors has helped me understand complex concepts and troubleshoot effectively.
What I really appreciate is the support from the staff and the trainers. They are always available to help with any questions, and one-on-one guidance has made huge difference. Having the support has really boosted my confidence throughout this program, allowing me to find work experience and jobs.